Hey everybody, meteorologist Danielle Noyce for the 1 Degree Outside Weather Network with your evening essentials on this Monday as we dive into our first heat wave of 2024. Actually, first one since August of 2022 in spots. And you remember that one, it was a long one, 6 days in a row. We need 3 consecutive days in a row to be defined as an official heat wave. Boston actually has yet to hit 90 this year. Last time we did it was September 7th, back in the fall. Shade when you're outside does make a big difference. Hydration, lightweight, light colored clothing makes a difference as well. Make sure to check on neighbors, elderly, those that may have a real tough time in these hot scenarios these next several days. And don't forget your pets either. They need to stay hydrated and their little paws when they go outside. Cooler spots, easier. Wet spots, the asphalt obviously gets extremely hot. Temperatures tonight drop back into the 60s. The dew point continues to rise. We'll have a couple 50s when you get in far northern and eastern Maine. Tomorrow we go 90 to 95 central, northern, southern New England. Relief, Cape Cod, and down East Maine will be in the upper 70s to low 80s. And we're 85 to 90 for many of us across the Pine Tree State as well. The winds, south-southwest, 5 to 15 miles per hour. Keep in mind those temperatures are without the humidity factored in. As that dew point continues to rise, it gets real sticky. The heat index values will be in the mid to upper 90s tomorrow. So that's what you want to keep in mind for the outdoor outlook. Isolated late day thunderstorm in the mountains. Isolated is a key word. With this much heat and humidity in place, we are likely to pop a couple storms these next few days, including in the lakes, very low chance, but an evening thunderstorm. Air temperatures in the 90s, water temperatures in the 60s, but will be rising quickly over these next several days. I bet we see a lot of 70 plus degree water temperatures showing up. Chop will be light. UV index high across the board. There'll be sun and clouds filtering it from time to time tomorrow. The beaches will be around 80 on the Cape, so that's where there's some relief. Air temperatures otherwise in eastern Massachusetts, New Hampshire seacoast, low 90s. Water temperatures again rising through the 60s. The rip current risk is low tomorrow, but the waves will be about 2 to 4 feet, kicking up just a little bit. Offshore, 1 to 3 feet south of Nova Scotia, and the wind will generally be about 5 to 15 knots out of the south-southwest. Stay cool. We'll keep you posted on any updates, and of course, you can check in with the only forecast you need to know for all seasons at onedegreeoutside.com.